Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you from Vishakhapatnam. On behalf of Admiral R.K. Dhowan, the Chief of Naval Staff, I, Sandeep Ved, and with me, Lohit Kumar, extend a very warm welcome to all of you on the occasion of the International Fleet Review 2000. Yes, and we see the dignitaries are arriving one by one. It's a lovely clear sky. It's about 8:35 in the morning, and we are all set for one of Vishakhapatnam's biggest festivals, Tripati का. और वो जल्द ही हमारे साथ होंगे और इंटरनेशनल फ्लीट रिव्यू 2016 का ये महत्वपूर्ण इवेंट आरंभ करेंगे. गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेशेंटली उनका इंतज़ार करते हुए these about 150 smartly dressed men are waiting with utmost discipline and patience to welcome the Honorable President of our country and give him the due guard of honor before he alights INS Sumitra.
जैसा संदीप मैं ये बता दूं,
salute accompanied by the national anthem. He will thereafter inspect the 150 smartly turned out men in the guard of honor and proceed to embark the presidential yacht INS Sumitra.
In 1951, and that definitely was a momentous occasion for the Indian Navy.
तो यह सेना की जो झंडा होता है वो ये एक ऐक्यता और एक प्रेरणादायक होता है. सब में उनकी कार्यदक्ष पर यह उनको दी जाती है जिन्होंने उत्तम सर्वोत्तम कार्य निभाते हैं.
As you can see, the union ministers have started arriving on board Sumitra, and very shortly the Honorable Raksha Mantri of the country will be arriving at the venue.
सागर की सतह पर जहाजों का संगम गूंजे गगन. We are united through oceans.
सागर की सतह पर जहाजों का संगम गूंजे गगन. We are united through oceans. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Friends are we on the ocean's blue. Faith in the sea, our sacred blue. Friends are we on the ocean's blue. Faith in the sea, our sacred blue.
Hearts of oak in the sprightly weather on the ocean blue. Let's sail together.
On the main breeze, our spirits are free. At home and heart, we long for thee.
लहरी किरणों में जलसा अनुपम गूंजे गगन. We are united through oceans.
सुनहरी किरणों में जलसा अनुपम गूंजे गगन. We are united through oceans. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy, hello, united through oceans. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy.
दर्शक को ये जानने की उत्सुकता होती है कि ये समीक्षा के अंदर क्या होने वाला है. अभी आपको पता चलेगा.
As we can see, the Naval Guard, the Guard of Honor, is waiting there. जी, वो अब निकल रहे हैं अपनी गाड़ी से. पहुंच चुके हैं श्री मनोहर पर्रिकर जी और चीफ ऑफ नेवल कमांड ने उन्हें वेलकम भी किया है. As we can see, he is wearing the
He would arrive in a couple of minutes to the venue.
As we see the Prime Minister walking down, and he has taken his position for the Guard of Honor.
युवा में सबकी उत्सुकता होगी कि नावी के अंदर क्या होता है, मतलब ये लोग बहुत कम जानकारी होती है।
बिल्कुल, as we see श्री नरेंद्र मोदी हैज़ alighted INS सुमित्रा, और वहाँ पर बैठे सभी डिग्निटरीज ने खड़े होकर उनका स्वागत किया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, we now await the arrival of the Honorable President of India and the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces.
जैसे हम देख सकते हैं, माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी अपने डाइस पर पहुंचते हुए, और अब 150 लोगों का गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर उन्हें मिलेगा, और साथ में प्रेसिडेंशियल कलर्स भी उनके लिए।
आप जहां कहीं पे भी हों, हमारा यही निवेदन है कि राष्ट्रगान के लिए आप खड़े हो जाइए।
For him.
As you can see that the President of India was received by the Fleet Commander commanding Eastern Fleet, Rear Admiral Sunil Bokre, and the Captain of INS Sumitra, Commander Milind Mukashi. He's been led to the podium and the ship will shortly set sail.
Shri Narendra Modi and Shri Dr. Pranab Mukherjee greeting each other. Lovely broad smiles on their faces. I'm sure both of them must be very proud of the lovely occasion they are here to attend. I'm sure Indian government की बहुत सी कोशिशें और बहुत सी मेहनत गई होगी इस इवेंट को खड़ा करने में। पूरे विश्व से जो सेनाएं, जल सेनाएं आई हैं यहाँ पर इस डिस्प्ले के लिए, तो ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बेड़ा समीक्षा, आई एम श्योर इनके एफर्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा गए होंगे इनमें। एंड एज वी कैन सी नेवल ऑफिसर्स पूरी तरह से मेहनत में जुट गए हैं, जैसे ही माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी पधारे हैं कि जल्द से जल्द INS सुमित्रा सेट सेल करे, हार्बर छोड़े और आज की ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बेड़ा समीक्षा शुरू हो। हम आपको बता दें कि जैसे ही INS सुमित्रा करीब 50 मीटर की दूरी तय करेगी, उन्हें
Played once again. So may I request wherever you are to kindly rise and respect and honor the national anthem of the country.
जैसे हम देख सकते हैं, the INS Sumitra has set sail, ladies and gentlemen, and this grand event has officially just begun. The Honorable Prime Minister and President discussing the event's happenings with the naval officers sitting beside them.
Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem. The President is embarked on board INS Sumitra, the presidential yacht. A brief about INS Sumitra. INS Sumitra is an indigenously designed naval offshore patrol vessel built by the Goa Shipyard Limited. She was commissioned in the year 2014 and has already won accolades from near and far. Whilst on anti-submarine patrol in the Gulf of Aden in March 2015, she was devoted for Operation Rahat, a non-combatant evacuation operation in the war-torn country of Yemen. Mind you, Sumitra did not distinguish between Indians and non-Indians. During 5 rescue missions, the ship and its lion-hearted crew risked entering ports which were being bombed. We are here for the global common good, not just for India. Sumitra was aptly conferred by the Chief of the Naval Staff Unit Citation for her conspicuous act of courage in an hostile environment. The ship's commanding officer, Commander Milind Mokashi, was awarded the Shaurya Chakra, India's 3rd highest gallantry award during peacetime, for his bravery during the Operation 16 at Vishakhapatnam.
Some very wonder what a fleet review is and what exactly happens in a review. जैसे लोहित जी कह रहे थे कि हम आपको बताएंगे कि इसमें exactly होता क्या है. At the outset, it bears to recall that a review of the armed forces by the Supreme Commander has been in vogue in India even before the time of Mahabharata, when the kings regularly inspected their forces. This gave them an opportunity to assess their military prowess while giving the soldiers a chance to display their allegiance to the king and the state. तो न सिर्फ राजा महाराजा अपने राष्ट्र की स्ट्रेंथ की एक इंस्पेक्शन कर सकते थे, पर ये सैनिकों के लिए भी एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मौका होता था अपनी देशभक्ति साबित करने का.
Amongst the armies and significance in the national polity, ancient India had several kings who maintained large naval and merchant fleets. The purpose of the naval fleet was to protect the kingdom and that trade. As the merchant ships plied to far-off lands, in addition to their own cargo, the ships also took with them the culture of India. Notably amongst these were the Mauryas and the Cholas, who expanded their influence across the Southeast Asia through their fleets.
जैसे हम देख सकते हैं आईएनएस सुमित्रा हिंदुस्तान शिपयार्ड को क्रॉस करते हुए, the oldest shipyard on the east coast of India, built by the list Balchand Hiranand as Scindia Steam and Navigation Company. It commenced operations way back in 1941. The shipyard was partially taken over by Government of India in 1952, and 2 years later in 1961, the shipyard was nationalized and renamed as the Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Since inception, the yard has delivered over about 175 vessels of various types and repaired over 1,920 vessels. For over 6 decades now, Hindustan Shipyard Limited has been serving the needs of mariners in developing and constructing ships. The yard has 3 slipways, a covered building block, a wet basin and a dry dock, along with the necessary facilities required for shipbuilding, ship repairs and submarine repairs. The yard was ravaged by Cyclone Hudhud in October 2014, much like the rest of Vishakhapatnam. Barely a few months later, it bounced back and resumed full operations microcosm of what I believe India should be, a community living together in amity and friendship, irrespective of caste, creed or religion. क्या बात कही थी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने तब कि ये जो यूनिटी इंडियन नेवी में देखने को मिलती है ये वाकई में लाजवाब है। क्या कहते हैं लोहित?
तो सही बात है, क्योंकि ये अपना मतलब आप जियोग्राफिकली अगर देखा जाए तो अलग अलग होते हैं, लेकिन अगर समुद्र की ओर से अगर देखा जाए तो सब एक इक्वली दिखता है। जो इसीलिए वी आर यूनाइटेड, आज की जो टाइटल भी है यूनाइटेड थ्रू सी, जो 7516 जो किलोमीटर का जो बड़े बड़े जंगी जहाज आज इस प्रदर्शन में आप देखेंगे।
Okay, as promised, we will just run you down with the history of the fleet reviews in India. Post-independence, the newly formed Indian Navy undertook several major changes, both in structure and by the way of operations. It also coming up, the next ship is Papa 47, that is INS Khanjar. It is a Kukri class missile corvette. INS Khanjar is one of the first completely designed and built in India. Commissioned in the year 1991, Khanjar is presently commanded by Commander Kapil Kaushik.
As we once again
Undertake circumnavigation of the globe by an all-woman crew, which will also be skippered by Lieutenant Commander Vartik. And isn't it amazing, Sandeep, these ships from Brazil, Australia, as far as such countries, as far as Brazil and Australia have come for the IFR.
बिल्कुल, मैं खुद अभी यही सोच रहा था कि acoustic infrared signatures and radar cross section. Commissioned in 2004, Tabar is presently commanded by Captain Ashutosh Ridhorkar. This is the last of the 70 ships anchored for the International Fleet Review 2016, ladies and gentlemen. This was all the number of ships anchored for the International Fleet Review by the Honorable President and Prime Minister of India. Its body and the airframe. Now, isn't this a test of both the man and his machine? This is what the armed forces have to go through to make us feel safe at home, ladies and gentlemen. 6 times the pressure. Imagine कीजिए कि आप 60 feet नीचे zooming past at speeds in excess of 400 kilometers per hour. Kama twin-seater single-engine Hawks led by Captain Dalip Singh, the commanding officer of Indian Naval Air Squadron 551. The Phantoms, primarily a trainer aircraft, the Hawk Mk-132 is capable of firing air-to-air missiles and guns. Naval ship Vikramaditya, as a part of the Naval Air Squadron 303, the squadron is commanded by Captain Biplab Hota. The Black Panthers can operate the carrier as well as from ashore if the need arises. They are different from the Indian Air Force cousins. Their wings can be folded the wings can be folded so that they can be stored inside the carrier. Now, that is owing to some real compact real estate, isn't it? Just look at these Black Panthers as they zoom past us.
बहुत ही क्यूब जो आपने ब्लैक पैंथर्स के बारे में बताया है, सो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, जैसा कि इसका विंग फोल्ड भी होगा। और
as we can see, INS Sumitra and Sumetha swiftly going past these machines, and as they finally finish the survey of all these lovely naval machines, now as we have crossed the last ship in the International Fleet Review, watch out for these 2 grey-coloured fiberglass-hulled sleek-looking crafts approaching INS Sumitra. These are the fast interceptor crafts in service of the Indian Navy. These vessels provide security cover within the Indian harbour, as also the approaches to naval harbour. In accordance with Indian Navy's resolve,
तप्पो
जी, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कितना सुंदर दृश्य था वो लोहित, जिसमें जहाज ऐसा लग रहा था मानो स्थिर है, और उस इमेज में अगर कुछ चल रहा था तो सिर्फ वो एक रेडार जो धीरे 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 घूमे जा रहा था। लेकिन असलियत में तो ये था कि वो जहाज बहुत ही आराम से अलोंग साइड आ रहा है, और गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर अपनी ड्यूटीज को पूरा करने का है। As we can see, INS Sumitra is soon going to come alongside. I am sure each and every person on that ship today must be feeling super proud of being a part of such a historic, monumental event. क्या कहते हैं रोहित?
Very successful one. What a grandeur one, what we have seen as of now. It is coming to harbor.
आई एम श्योर जो हमारे देश की युवा पीढ़ी है वो इसको देखकर डेफिनेटली बहुत इंस्पायर हुई होंगी। ये जो जवान आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, जैसे हम देख सकते हैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का कॉन्वॉय तैयार, और वो ही इज डिसएम्बार्किंग INS सुमित्रा आफ्टर सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटिंग द इंटरनेशनल फ्लीट रिव्यू। Thanking and congratulating all the naval officers that come in his way. I'm sure Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, the Honorable President of India, is a very proud man as he disembarks the INS Sumitra.
Continuously for a long hours of almost 3 hours, he was continuously receiving jays from all the fleets.
As he finally disembarks,
सागर की सतह पर जहाजों का संगम गूंजे गगन we are united through oceans.
सागर की सतह पर जहाजों का संगम गूंजे गगन we are united through oceans. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Friends are beyond the ocean's blue. Faith in the sea, our sacred blue. Friends are beyond the ocean's blue. Faith in the sea, our sacred blue.
Hearts of oak in the sprightly weather on the ocean blue. Let's sail together.
On the main race, our spirits are free. At home and heart, we long for thee.
सुनहरी किरणों में जलसा अनुपम गूंजे गगन we are united through oceans.
सुनहरी किरणों में जलसा अनुपम गूंजे गगन we are united through oceans. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy, hello, united through oceans. Ahoy, hello, namaste. Ahoy.
Deep, thanks to everyone who all involved in this. in making such a big event a grand success.